And President William Ruto has reaffirmed his commitment to ensuring the two-thirds gender rule is realized in the country. Speaking Friday during the International Women's Day celebrations in Embu County, the president said male legislators have also pledged to ensure the resolution of the matter that is yet to be achieved since the enactment of the new constitution. Beldin Waliaula with these and other stories on the International Women's Day.
Ruto emphasized that the provision of ensuring women receive 2/3 of leadership positions in the country is non-negotiable. He highlighted that through amending the constitution, it will become mandatory to achieve this goal. The president confirmed he has already written to Parliament, urging legislators to consider the necessary amendments aiming to provide women with increased access to leadership positions.
Mambo ya katiba ambayo tulipitisha ya kuwapatia kina mama nafasi yao ya uongozi katika Kenya. Jameni, safari hii tuungane sote, kina mama pamoja na wanaume, kubadilisha sheria yetu ndio kina mama wapate nafasi yao ya uongozi.
In support of two-third gender rule, Ruto says he has allocated more ambassadorial positions to women.
Asubuhi nimewapatia kina mama 10 kuwa mabalozi wetu katika nchi mbalimbali ya dunia.
While in Embu, women leaders lauded the president for his support towards women leadership, particularly his support to elected female governors.
Jana ulituhakikishia ya kwamba the two-thirds gender rule itaimplementiwa. That is one thing we want to thank you for.
And that's why I want to support that Your Excellency, Linda Mama program, tafadhali iendelee.
Sasa ile sheria tumeleta mpya, bima ya afya mpya, hailindi mama peke yake, inalinda mama, inalinda mwanafunzi wa shule, inalinda mzee.
Elsewhere, on celebrations marking Women's Day, the First Lady Rachel Ruto was in Kisumu County, Kodiaga Maximum Prison, where she officiated the groundbreaking of Chandaria Kisumu Women Prison Workshop. She urged women inmates to be hopeful and resilient, as it is not an end to life.
Being in prison is not an end in itself. It can be a new platform for finding oneself and opening new chapters of life that can change the lives of inmates and other people.
In Kajiado South, women celebrated their day by learning how to plant animal fodder that will cushion them and their livestock when drought season knocks. The special fodder has been planted on 100 acres land and will help during drought.
It's a very good initiative for women, and especially in these pastoral areas, because also the grasses that we use are drought-resistant grasses, and they require little rainfall to establish. So establishing such a farm which we produce the grasses that are perennial and they are drought resistant is good for this environment.
Tunaangalia kurestore 500,000 hectares of land. Hii eneo ambao tuko katika southern regions ama Churu landscape, tunajaribu kufanya kazi na wamama. Wamama ndio kabisa wameathirika na mambo ya kiangazi. Hapa ng'ombe wanakufa wengi sana wakati wa kiangazi, na tumeona ni vizuri tushirikiane na wao ili kuhifadhi hii area.
Beldin Waliaula KTN News.